Robert King, Poultry South, here with you at Dewrell Poultry. We're down in Brantley, Alabama today. Wanted to show off a really nice and well-maintained farm. We're going into two of the houses here that are 40 by 500s. You can see they've got Tortronics control. Just a super well maintained farm, good producing, top producing farm. You can tell, always looking at a control room, how well a property is maintained. Got both water meters coming in, and this farm is fairly unique in that it's got 3-inch water lines coming into all the houses, so you're going to have plenty of volume to keep your birds happy and healthy. We'll step on in the houses here. These two houses was just brought up to date in 2017. You can see that they're all equipment's in good shape. Got the tube heat front and back. Spray foam walls. Got metal knee braces. They're set up and ready for birds. It's got LED lights. Roll seal front door there. These houses can pull over a 900 wind speed. If you want to look at a really nice farm in Brantley, Alabama, get in touch with us at poultrysouth.com. There will also be another video of the two newer, larger houses that are located on this farm, 16 acres. There's a brick farmhouse, a pond, a nice shop building, another stack house, and equipment shed. Really neat operation.